Everyone asks, how do I rise after I fall? But the real question is, what if the fall was the instruction? Lucas was the man people trusted. Good job, strong reputation, active in church, always smiling. Then everything collapsed. One mistake, one bad decision, one moment of weakness. He lost his job. His name was questioned. People stopped calling. Lucas didn't just fall. He fell publicly. The inner battle. At night, he replayed the moment again and again. If I had stopped, if I had prayed more, if I had walked away. Shame spoke louder than faith. Lucas stopped attending church. He avoided mirrors. He avoided God. He believed a lie. I fell, so God must be done with me. One rainy morning, Lucas walked through an old European town. He noticed a man repairing a cracked stone bridge. Curious, Lucas asked, "Why fix it? It already fell apart." The old builder smiled and said, "It didn't fail. It revealed where it was weak." Those words followed Lucas home. That night, Lucas opened his Bible for the first time in months. He didn't read much. Just one line caught his eyes. "The righteous fall 7 times and rise again." Lucas froze. It didn't say if they fall. It said when. Falling wasn't proof of failure. Staying down was. Lucas realized something life-changing. God never asked him to pretend he didn't fall. God asked him to stand again. Not with pride, but with humility. Not with excuses, but with honesty. He returned to church, not perfect, but real. He rebuilt his life, not faster, but deeper. Months later, Lucas began mentoring others who had fallen. People listened, not because he was flawless, but because he was restored. His fall didn't destroy his calling. It defined it. If you have fallen, you are not finished. You are not rejected. You are not forgotten. You are being rebuilt. Proverbs 24 verse 16, NIV. For though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again. God doesn't shame the fallen. He strengthens the ones who rise.